Okay, first game. Makila versus Coco Village. Okay, let's play basketball. Bola na number 26. Getting inside Renzo. No goal. Leveling na ball. Coco Village. Number 10. Passing it to number 8. Number 10, Fernandez. Passing it inside. Number 21 getting inside. Basket is good. Number 13. Passing it there. Number 26. Huli. Passing it there. Number Fernandez. Gilabay. Gidiretso. Basket is good. Beginning the ball is number 13, passing it to 26. Number 7, for 3. Basket. Fernandez directing the ball, hitting inside Fernandez. Basket is good. Block out pass. Number 7. Passing it to 77. 10 to shoot. Huli! Passing it there to number 7. Pass it to basket! Passing it there. 26. Wow! Passing it there. Huli! Hapit the eye. Number 8. What a layup by number 8. Fernandez, number 10. Looking for someone to pass. Grabe ang depensa sa Makilaw. Passing it there. 10 to shoot. Basket. The dribble. Passing it there inside. Huli. Pero huli na po. Layup. Basket is good. Getting inside si number 10. Number 10. Basket is good. Number 7, passing to number 13. Passing it to the inside. Espinosa. Pushing. Number 26, Huli. Number 77, getting inside. Layup. Basket. 10. Passing it there. Huli again! Espinosa passing to number 7. Number 7. Layup. Basket. Dribbling the ball is number 6 for 3. No good. Number is Obia. Number 12 with the ball. Passing it to Fernandez. Getting inside. Basket is good. Passing it there to number 6. Number 6. Passing it there on the inside. Passing it to number 10. Passing it back. Jump shot. Basket. Dribbling the ball is number 18. Passing it there. Espinosa. No good. Follow up by number 26. Number 6. Getting inside to number 6. Passing it there to number 10. Number 10. 10 to shoot. Basket. Passing it there on the inside. Espinosa. Basket. Number 18. Passing it there. Back to 18. Passing it back. 10 to shoot. Espinosa. Opia. 15 seconds to shoot. Jump. Pasa the eye. 26. Jump shot. No good. Oh. Basket. Number 13 with the ball. Passing it there. Passing it to number 10. Passing it to number 8. Number 8. No good. Espinosa. Passing it to 12. 12. Leah. No good. Number 10 with the ball. Give it the ball to number 10. Number 10. Pass.
Number 10 attempt to shoot.
Basket is good. Getting inside. Passing it there. Jump shot. Basket. Passing it there. 4-3. No good. Espinosa getting the ball. Passing it there to number 10. Leah. Basket. 10 to shoot. Pass dito. Huli. Number 10. Pass Aliyay. Huli. Number 10 again with the ball. Number 10 deepening the ball is number 10. Wow! Jump shot. No good. Passing it to number 13. Number 13 dribbling the ball. Giving inside to number 13. Passing it to Espinosa. Like that. Huli. Number 8 with the ball. Dribbling the ball is number 8. Basket. Espinosa. Basket. Okay, number 10. 4-3. No good. Espinosa again. Passing it there. Passing to number 12. Jump shot. Basket. Passing it there to number 6. Number 6. Passing it on the inside. Passing it there. Passing it back to number 7. Passing it dito. 10 to shoot. Jump shot. Basket. 47 seconds left for the second quarter. Kipasa by number 13. Basket! 3 points. Dribbling the ball is number 7. Passing it to number 13. Getting inside. Basket. Left. Passing it to number 10. Number 10. Passing it to number 25. Number 25. No good. Number 12. No good. Number 6. Dribbling the ball is number 6. Getting inside to number 6. Passing it there. Basket! 10 seconds to play. Huli! 5. Basket is good. Getting inside to number 7. Keep him in so. Basket. Foul counted. Basket is good. Dribbling the ball is number 10. Getting into passing it there. Number 7. Jump shot. No good. Air ball. 21 with the ball. Basket. Number 13. Number 13. Looking for someone to pass. Number 9. Wow. Wow. Oy, huli. Number 10. Passing there. Oh, basket. Passing it there. Number 10. Dribbling the ball is number 10. Passing it there to number 6. Number 6. Passing it there to number 7. Basket. Passing it to Espinosa. Passing it there. 4-3. Pass. Passing it there to number 13. Number 13 dribbling the ball. 4-3. Panagan. Passing it there. Oh, Leah. Left sa third.
quarter. Number 10 with the ball. Passing it there. Huli!
Oh! Palakan! Espinosa to 7. Nakapos si 7. Lay it up. No good. 7 na po. Ako na po. Double 10 behind. Huli! Wow! Basket!
4-3! No good. Rebounded.
Espinosa.
Dribbling the ball is Espinosa. Espinosa dribbling the ball. No good.
Passing it in to number 13 for 3. Basket. Looking for somewhere to pass. Getting inside. Passing it back. Huli. Wow, wow, wow. 10. Giving it about in number 10. Passing it in number 13. Number 13 getting inside. No good. Number 8. Number 8. It's another number. Basket. Number 10. Passing it to number 8. Number 8. Passing it there to 13. Basket. Looking for the pass. Passing it there. Espinosa. Number 8. Passing it to 26. Ako na lang. Basket. Dribbling the ball is number 10, number 10. Passing it to number 8, number 8. Wow! Basket! Espinosa, huli! Number 13, number 10 behind. Passing it to number 13, number 13, dribbling the ball. Passing it to 21, 21. Basket. For the last quarter. 26. Oh. Number 13 dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball is number 13. Passing to 25. Espinosa. 7. Passing it there. Passing it there the ball. 10 to shoot.
4-3.
Rebound. Wow. Basket. Number 10 with the ball. Passing it to Espinosa. Espinosa looking for somewhere to pass. Arra na ball. 10 to shoot. 5. Basket. 10. Giving it to the number 10, number 10, passing it there to number 13. 10 to shoot. Basket! Ipalsan ni Fernanda! Arabiay! Arabiay! Check out! 10 to shoot. Ara! Basket! Attention clock. Number 13 to number 6. Number 6, dribbling the ball. Time to shoot. 5, 4. Basket! Balos 69. Favor of Team Manila. Wow! Bravo! Minutes. Dribbling the ball is number 7, number 7. Passing it to number 13, number 13. Dribbling the ball. Get to shoot. Espinosa, 7. Basket. Dribbling the ball is number 13. No good. Graphic vertical. Palakan! Wow! Palakan! seconds. For the three! No good. Number 10. Passing it to number 13. Number 13. Seven with the ball. Depensa si number 7. Ay, number 10 yan. No good. Passing it to Espinosa. Arra. Number 13. Passing it in, number 7. Seconds to play. 52. 15 to shoot. 10. What a layup by number 10.